What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Breaking L, and we are getting ready to do our giveaway that we done yesterday. We posted yesterday to celebrate our website launch. So the website launch went pretty well. I hope you guys checked it out and enjoyed it, and if not, leave me some feedback. We're live. Good luck. We're going to figure out who wins this 8x10 autograph photo that's been sitting here. It is a mystery, and it's 532. Here's your list of names of everybody who competed. Whoever wins, I am going to check to make sure that they did do what was required. And if they didn't, it will be back up for grabs. So that's the qualifications here. Good luck, good luck. 532, here we go. 4 randoms as always. 1. We had 125 people take part. 2. 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 532. Just turned 533. Last and final random is going to be the winner. Dave's on top after 3. Let's see who's on top after 4. Boom, we got Nikolai. Congrats, man. Nikolai's taking home the 8x10 autograph photo. He is the top name after 4th random, and there's 125 names. So let's copy over this last timestamp. Say another congrats to Nikolai. And we'll give you that photo. Check in with us, and we'll open it for you whenever, man, whenever you're free. 1 minute to 5:33 and 5:33. There you go. Congratulations again to Nikolai in spot 1 after 4 randoms. He is taking home the 8x10 autograph photo, guys. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you around.